Right, here we go. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the Amazon Welcome Baby Registry box. I actually left it sealed. We recently moved, and I figured I would just bring it here and do it here. So this was a delayed unboxing, but here we go. We're going to open it up and see what they gave us. Okay. All right. So we got that. Just a little note to enjoy their free samples. First item is this. What is this? Baby Vision. Is this like a handkerchief? Oh, this looks like a bib. Little bib by Lovable Friends. Chic design. Okay, that's cool. Alright, next got a Baby Dove body wash, some Nuck pacifiers, okay. Got a Vino Baby lotion. What is this? Burt's Bees Baby shampoo and wash. So that's cool. That's nice. Oh, an Abbott bottle. Have quite a few of those already. Let's see, 15% off coupon for Burt's Bees Baby. I might be able to use that. We got a Cetaphil Baby Daily Lotion. And onto the big stuff. Lysol Daily Cleansing Wipes. That's cool. It's a pretty big one too. So. Good. Next we have this Moon and Back Organic Cotton Short Sleeve Bodysuit. Ooh, 3 to 6 months. Let's take a look at that. Nice. Doesn't look like 3 to 6 months, but yeah, it's pretty neat. What was that? Yeah, something fell out. Look, there's elephants. All right, that's cool. Next, got a whole pack of Huggies wipes. It's the Natural Care Pure and Gentle, 99% water. So that's nice too. And finally, what is this? Oh, nice. Amazing Baby Muslim Swaddle. Premium cotton Muslim blanket. So that's awesome too. That's it. That is it. Take a look at this one. Zebra design. That's nice. Really soft. Good quality. Cool. So that is the Amazon Baby Registry baby box. A lot of cool stuff in there. A lot more than I expected. So there it is. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit like, and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. See you next time.